All right, folks, I like not to got this oil filter off this Mustang. 351 stroker motor in it. It was this car is professionally built. They had this thing on so tight. Look how I crushed it. On the damn edge here where it's rippled so you can grab hold to it. I like not to got the thing off. I thought I was going to get a pull bar. That is just ridiculous. But there's oil on the gasket, so they oiled the gasket up. That wasn't the problem. They just had it on way too tight. Okay, folks, this is how you install an oil filter. So I put oil around it. This is a new filter, and I put oil around the O-ring. Okay, and you thread it on, and all you do, get it snug by hand. That's it right there. That's all you need. It ain't going nowhere. You don't need to torque it down or anything kind of stuff, or put a big, whatever they did to the last one. But man, that's crazy. So just tighten it up good and strong by hand, and it's good to go. And I put about a half a quart of oil in it also, so it has some oil in the filter when I fire it up.